Hello my people, how you people doing? Nado, I just did bath finish. I can't wash my hair. As you can see, everywhere they hot. I just lose and wash, and this is my natural hair. If they beat Isioluk like say tomorrow not day. This is my natural hair. See ya. Imayi go there, Osaya way. You see ya. Natural hair. If they beat Isioluk like say tomorrow not day. As I just wash and I say, make I still leave her a little bit, you know. Sometimes, now because I say sometimes you will just look one kind. I will just okay, me I weave her, put I'll still put wig for the hair. And because of their some of all those people mouth too, because they think say you not feel buy hair. What it be hair? What it be human hair? Where person not feel buy? I just need bath. Just a comment. Now say okay, me I just do this short video. So look, tell your widow make it bring the natural hair like this. I will put the video for. I will put the Isioluk wife hair. Wanna see this my hair? If they beat Isioluk like say tomorrow not day. Imagine go there, oh, Baba Yahweh. See my natural hair. The bell hair. See there will know the sonona say you this one I be natural human hair. Not be that one where we they put that one we just they put on like maybe we just they use that until they still they change look, you know. Make people not they talk person like Isioluk. Not be say we they care or wait till Isioluk they talk only down him ogomba ogboni. Isioluk, tell your widow wife this one na me oh na me. As I just they come out for a shower. I say I do short video because today now as I wash my hair, you know, I need to like draw and small, then I'll just leave her like that. Maybe I'll go pack her all, I'll just pack her all up, you know, and her make fresh air see they enter the hair. You know, sometimes you need to wash her, all those things. This is my natural hair where Baba God give me. I not buy for markets. Ima there. You see, now my natural hair. You see, this my natural hair. They beat Isioluk, the way they they beat her. Not be me say you go carry Edede way not get hair. Edede way be like say you hair. Na rat na e chop am. Not be me tell you. You see, this is me. Now me be this. And also be do fake thing. Okay, this is my natural hair. Even when I come and sell, now even see and say, I get my hair. I get hair well. You see, all this my hair, it will come reach here. Then sometimes I will still like, okay, make I just see come out time. And so the way God take creates me. Some people they will be say, if they find this natural hair, even me, I for don't barbara because of my husband love natural hair. If they like her, if I just deliver like this, not the one we go they put a wig. You understand? Isioluk Odafewidon. No man ya will no sell and but no feel of mokwa. Come and see my natural hair. My natural hair where they beat you. Now you marry Edede. Now you marry Isioluk. Ohone giage. Now you marry Ije. Ohona jobi say ya na bi. Na 5 people na they push am. Now you want you to take compare me. See your wife. If you no make up, giage. This one and me. I just the sian. I just the bath finish. I just they finish because as I lose the hair, everywhere they hot. As I lose her, wash her, now I just bath. I say, make I not forget to make I do video. As I will forget this one. Isioluk they cry for my natural hair. And you go yeah the wig. You look me like I don't feel buy wig where God just bless me with natural human hair. This is natural human hair. If I just deliver like this. This my hair, God really bless me. And after I take until the waka. I'll just come and just leave. And sometimes I'll just pack her. Cold never chop my hair. See cold now because of say age don't see the go. Now I make the hair cut the cut. If you see my hair before, if I do there's the thing say I be from South America. All these Colombia people, Brazil. Now some people they think say now I be. Because they will see my hair. It go now Oibo salon now they go. When I will go there, they will go stretch. Then if they walk out, they see the hair so here. I never retouch her. If I retouch this hair now, it don't reach 2 years now, be. if not be, if say never even pass safe. Now remember last time when I retouch my hair. If I retouch and I put cream, also I don't want me I leave and me I still just leave because this now the first time where they say I never they put where I just say I decide not to put a relaxer for my hair. I never do it before. I just say okay, me I leave and me I see the way my hair could react, and it react well. It react well. It not beast. It not even like look like say relaxer not there because I get very strong hair. Na rubber hair now I get very strong hair and a rubber. Okay. Isioluk, come and look fine lady. See now, you see me. We don't know much what fear go let them come out like this. The hair will be like say wetin dem not they use. I go put the Odafewidon hair. I go put am for here. Make una see. I'm gonna see compare. Una also not get better woman for his house. Una see better woman for social media. Una they cry. Una they cry so cry. I know that my people. No say I need bath. Una they cry so cry. They cry. Hey, my wife this one, your wife this one. Isioluk, if they put your wife for Otinye, they know the color. If they put a widow for Otinye, nobody will color and they will leave her for them. Okay, kwa. I want me una better person this Otinye. Get the people go rush on. People go rush on. Person like me, as me just be so. If I just say me, I can't come and say I'm looking for. You know how many people go rush. Thank God, that will not be my portion. I don't already get. Wow, Biki, Babola, where Vivian, be wife, soon with Dokba. I mean, no, still work when. Isioluk, everything where you they talk, if you know, say na truth. I say, when you carry water, then you can't use and taste sweat. Say, if you the life for this woman head, if you not see the life for this woman head, come put the cost, come meet me. Now so they take the cost. Not be say you declare so work you. Babola wegbe, pepe ogbu. Oh go yerabo. If you know say you know the life for my head, come swear pepe very well. Because now waiting you believe. Now waiting you believe. Now that is pepe as far say you the life for my head. Now that is pepe. Now you go there, now you go buy you. You go buy all your igiowa finish. Nothing to show. Almost to be because you the lie. You see how? If you know the life for my head, make buy me. You see the way I take us and so come and try it like this. You know if you try it. You know go fit try it. Why you call? If I ball loud, we are here no more the day you over. If you don't they do, you know what? Because you can't look yourself, say you be big boy, you be no one, then make you the thought say you senior everybody. And here now, as far as say you don't they do because we big pass your mama, and you not go senior everybody, you know they look anybody say this one senior you. You are ball loud, be like you if you done. Obvious one, me why you can knock in your cake see my natural hair. If I boy for your tell your widow make on show natural hair, may we see. Tell your widow, say widow no make up or just come and I just they come out for inside shower. I just they come and now say since I lose my hair today, make I make this short video. This one of my body, you go, I know the bleach. See I be natural. You see well, even those an idea, I feel use anti-rub. I feel you because my skin is very, very like sensibly. So I don't feel use all those cream. If I use them, it go below my bed. So the best thing, anything where I see I go they use. See cream where they use. I can say me I show now. Me I not show now. I don't want to publish this thing. Me anti publish it advertisement for them. Now supermarket or pharmacy now they buy my cream. Anyone where you get back and just carry. So if I maybe say na pharmacy or na supermarket, now take the rub. See, I want to go buy for Africa store. I know they go. I felt they use before. I know when they go again. Wait till they use fair and white that time. Now say I bet me I pass to pharmacy and supermarket. Now still better cream na it be. So my people, when I tell you Isioluk Odafewidon, no mami eja no semagbo. Make it come swell like that. Say if na leo, make it cause am. If not be like no bet make bay, he no go dear ran. Or when we no join yes and ya hasa. That's all they did me told him no join yes and me ya hasa. Isioluk can't try like that. You know if you try am. Ogun ba boy. Obi no wo no wodo. Ogun ba ikinya. Many time we very time ava. No that boy. Camping, natural. widow wey your